Hey diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share a wrap-up video for the educational portion of our Summer with the Masters event. First, I want to say thank you so much for your support of this event. We've had amazing viewers, we've had amazing followers, we've had amazing companies help provide discount codes and products for the event. It has just been such an epic success. And I'm really so grateful to all of you for all of it. I hope that even though this portion of Summer with the Masters is wrapping up, that you will continue to join us for the rest of the event. This kind of audience participation portion will continue all the way through August 14th. If you have not signed up yet, I'll make sure the Google form is listed in the description below so you can find out all the info. I'll link the announcement video. If you're just not sure how to get started, I won't recap it all here, but check the description for all of that information. I really hope you'll join us. We'll be back, of course, throughout the summer with some progress videos and other things on our side. When I say our, I mean Katie and I, Katie over at Diamonds and Washi. So make sure you check back on both channels so you can see what's going on, get the latest. And of course, we'll be doing a really fun grand prize drawing giveaway on August 14th, closer to the end of the summer. So far in the event, we've covered where to find old masters pieces. We've listed some resources for figuring out what's in the public domain and how we can use those pieces. Katie has talked about where to find prepackaged old masters kits. We've talked about ordering customs. We've talked about so many different things that I hope you guys will really find useful. And of course, that's all gathered up in a playlist that I will link up in the cards up top so that you can go back and reference those anytime you would like. Once again, if you have a friend that you think would enjoy learning more about the old masters and how to diamond paint them, please share the series with them. I know I'm speaking for Katie when I say we're really proud of the work we've done on it, and we'd just be thrilled if you would share it with someone in your life. So I think the best part of the whole event actually has been watching your projects come across my Instagram feed and then receiving them in my inbox all the way from before the event started. I had some people sending me amazing pieces that they had done for inspiration. And then during the event, and hopefully we'll continue to see those things as people wrap things up and work on projects over the summer. So I just want to highlight a few finishes here today. Now, of course, to participate in the event, you do not have to finish your canvas. Some of these are huge. We totally understand. But I just want to show you some pieces that I hope you might be inspired by today. So first we have Art by Aid. She finished a Haid blank canvas. She actually finished this before the event started, and she tagged me on Instagram so that I could see this piece. This is an epic piece. It is gorgeous. Well done. I am so thrilled to see this, and it turned out just beautiful. Congratulations. Barbara also sent me her finish of Soul of the Rose. She did this in a smaller size, a 40 by 60. That was really fun to see. I apologize for my voice again today, you guys. The allergies are so strong where I am, and it doesn't matter what I do. I sound like this all summer. Catherine finished up the Kiss from Diamond Dots. She emailed me a picture of this. It looks so beautiful. Catherine, congratulations. That is stunning. Karen's Diamonds finished up Starry Night by Diamond Dots. I bet the Diamond Dots version of this is so beautiful and sparkly. Oh my gosh. Congratulations, Karen. That looks beautiful. I love it. Of course, our friend Katie finished up Miranda the Tempest by John William Waterhouse. This was her custom from Uniquely Yours Down Under, and she actually did it in a pretty modest size. And the rendering looks absolutely beautiful. So congrats, Katie, on your finish. That is lovely. Diamond Painting Fairy also finished The Kiss by Gustav Klimt. This is the most beautiful canvas. I own Woman in Gold. I think I'm going to have to invest in this one too. You guys have convinced me. Congratulations on the finish. That is gorgeous. Mel in Utah finished Young Woman Drawing by Marie Denise Villers. This is a gorgeous piece, Mel. Thank you so much for sharing it with me and with everyone on Instagram. It is gorgeous. It turned out beautifully and the rendering is just top notch. This reminds me so much of Sense and Sensibility. I can feel it. It just makes me happy. Congrats on your finish. That was a big project. Well done. Marumi Crafts finished Cafe Terrace at Night. I think I have the name right. From Diamond Art Club. This is a beautiful rendering with all these bright colors. I love Van Gogh pieces in diamond painting. I think they work so well. Congrats on your finish. That looks gorgeous. Dot by E. If you don't follow Dot by E on Instagram, make sure you do, because she has some great projects, a lot of great DIY Moon, smaller projects, so much fun to watch. She finished this great mashup of The Great Wave off Kanagawa and Starry Night, which I think is a fantastic and creative canvas to enter with. It turned out beautifully. Congratulations. That looks just gorgeous. The Crafty Burner finished a canvas that I just wish I had snagged back at the time. This is The Season Spring by Alphonse Mucha. What a gorgeous canvas this is. This was one of Distracted by Diamond's first canvases that they ever produced. The rendering is stunning. Congratulations to you. This was an epic project, I'm positive, and it turned out to be absolutely a masterpiece. Congratulations. Vicious Nuki, I love your username. It's so fantastic. They finished this beautiful piece from Alphonse Mucha. I own this one too, and you have made me want to break this out. I didn't need any more excuses, but oh my goodness, the rendering looks fabulous. This is a big canvas too. Huge congratulations on the finish. It turned out beautifully. I love it. Karen, you are a powerhouse. You also finished Girl with a Pearl Earring by Vermeer. This looks beautiful, and I don't think it's extremely large. If I read the text right, 30 by 40 round. That's a great rendering for a 30 by 40 round. The skin tones look really good. Congratulations on 2 finishes. That's fabulous. This is one of my favorite paintings. C.S. Murph finished the swans. We love the swans. That turned out beautifully. The green ABs sparkle so much in this canvas. That's a beautiful and huge finish. C.S. Murph. That is gorgeous. Congratulations. Valerie at Jeff and Val 1 finished The Soul of the Rose by John William Waterhouse. When I unboxed this canvas, I was not entirely certain how the warm colors would look, but I have to say, this is another one where I'm going to have to sit on my hands not to start it. Valerie, this looks so beautiful. Congratulations. The rendering looks amazing. And of course, it's a masterpiece. Holy cow. Jill emailed me and sent me some pictures of her Diamond Dots irises all framed and ready to hang. Jill, this is absolutely beautiful. I love it so much. The sparkle on those Diamond Dots canvases really lend themselves to certain subjects. This is fantastic. Congratulations. Julie, a long time ago, Julie, aka Free Cat here on YouTube, sent me this beautiful public domain photo of Madihara from Evermoment. This is a 90 by 120 diamond painting. This she finished before the event, but I have to make sure I show it to you because it is just too stunning not to show to you. So Julie, thank you very much for letting me use this picture here on the channel. Congratulations on the finish. It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, amazing. Kay, thank you so much for emailing me your picture of your progress on the swing. This is a beautiful piece of art, and Kay is doing this in a whopping 55 by 41 inch diamond painting. She said she had to get quite creative to have the space to work on this. I think she has finished like a whole diamond painting across the top there so far. Oh my goodness, Kay, congratulations. This is going to be beautiful. I cannot wait to follow your progress. Please send me more pictures as you go along. Michael sent me his beautiful framed version of the swans. He also sent me this picture before the event started, but I have to give you guys all the inspiration I can. So Michael inspired me to get my own swans canvas framed. Thank you, Michael. This looks absolutely gorgeous. You have amazing taste. fabulous. Michael also sent me this Ever Moment Pandora that he finished. This is, of course, Pandora by John William Waterhouse. He's got it all framed and hanging in his house. This is a whopping 59 by 35 inches. That's a lot of centimeters. So it's a masterpiece. It is absolutely a masterpiece. Michael is like the king of masterpieces. So here's another one from Michael. This is his Starry Night, all framed up. Can you imagine the gallery wall that Michael has going on? This is gorgeous. Thanks so much for all of that inspiration. To my wonderful viewers, please tag me on Instagram if you have more finishes, more progress. I absolutely love to follow that. I promise I did not catch all of the great pictures on Instagram that I needed to find, but I will continue looking as we go along and hopefully share a whole lot more as we continue through the summer. If you don't have Instagram so that you can use #SummerWithTheMasters, please just email me a photo. You'll find that info in my community tab on your desktop. I would love to see your pictures, and don't let not having Instagram keep you from sharing them with me. So before we go today, I have one last piece of business. Of course, we have a final giveaway for this portion of the event. This is a $25 gift card to the diamond painting company of your choice that offers a gift card and licenses all their work legally. This will be winner's choice. So the winner of our final giveaway for this portion of the event is Latrul. Congratulations, Latrul. They say, thank you both for this series. I've been shying away from cropping, thinking it takes away from the original art piece. However, you have given me better perspective regarding cropping. I prefer squares and I place them with tweezers. I don't see a point in rushing through a painting. I love that attitude. I think that is exactly how diamond painting should be. It should be relaxing and fun and no pressure. Congratulations, Latrul. I will reach out to you via your comment on the last video so that I can get your info, and I'll have some identity verification for you to do for me as well. Thank you so much to all of you who have participated in Summer with the Masters so far. I really hope we can make it some kind of annual event because it is so much fun. This event has my heart. I have had more fun doing this than I've had doing anything on the channel in a long time. Thank you so much for being a part of it. I hope you have a fantastic week. Keep on working on those old masters pieces. They really are masterpieces. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.